Hi everyone, I'm Eduard, the creator of PromoPilot. PromoPilot is a SaaS platform that helps you manage and publish content across multiple social media platforms from one place. But instead of spending time explaining how it works, I think it's better to show you. I recently launched another app called MyCoachEd, and I will use that as a real example to demonstrate how easy it is to create content and publish it across multiple social media platforms at scale, all from one singular workflow. In here, you can see the Instagram profile for MyCoachEd. Everything you see here was created and managed by PromoPilot through automation. It creates and schedules posts, images, reels, videos without requiring manual work. It also generates UGC video style, which means user-generated content videos from a single screenshot of the application. PromoPilot can produce engaging, natural-looking promotional videos that are ready to publish across multiple social media platforms. Let me show you the Facebook page. Here you can see the Facebook page, which mirrors the Instagram profile. This demonstrates how PromoPilot can connect to multiple social media platforms and automatically keep them in sync, publishing the same content across each channel from one single place. And of course, you're not limited to AI-generated content. You can create your own content, upload your own images and videos, write your own captions, or combine your content with AI-generated content, whatever works best for you, for your brand. Let me show you how PromoPilot really works, how easy it is to connect your social profiles, and how you can publish at scale from multiple accounts. From social platforms, you can connect multiple social profiles: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. TikTok is not there yet, but it will come out soon. Or you can connect multiple pages. Once you connected your social accounts, the next step is to define the brand. Your brand profile helps PromoPilot to understand how your business communicates and presents itself. It learns your brand voice, writing style, colors, fonts, logos, hashtags, and overall deep identity. So every piece of the content it generates stays consistent with brand. You can simply enter your website URL and PromoPilot will automatically import your brand guideline by detecting your colors, fonts, logos, and general design style. And if you don't have a website, that's not a problem. You can fill in the brand information manually, describing your business, defining your target audience, selecting your brand colors, fonts, uploading your logos, and explaining how you want your content to sound. The more information you provide, the better PromoPilot can generate content that feels like it was created by your own marketing team. Once everything is configured, you just click on Save Changes and your brand profile will be used automatically whenever you want to create new campaigns or generate content. Once your brand has been configured, I'm not going to cover every feature in PromoPilot. Instead, I will focus on the content library because that's where you will spend most of the time. The content library lets you upload and organize your own images, videos, and other marketing assets manually. But if you don't have the content ready, you can also generate it at scale using PromoPilot AI. So from here, PromoPilot can publish your content across all the connected social media platforms from a singular place. Instead of managing multiple accounts, switching between the apps, or relying on a marketing team, you can create, schedule, and distribute content across every channel with just a few clicks. So let me show you how this looks in practice. This is the content calendar for MyCoachEd, the new app I've recently launched. Here, you can see exactly how content is scheduled and published automatically. The calendar gives you a complete overview of what's being posted, what is going live on which platform. It also shows the content that's being generated and queued for publishing. So you always know what's coming next. Once everything is set up, PromoPilot takes care of publishing on Autopilot, allowing you to maintain a consistent social media presence without having to manage posts manually. On the right-hand side, you'll find Autopilot settings. This is where you decide how much control you want over publishing process. You can choose review mode, where PromoPilot generates content but waits for approval before publishing, or you can enable full auto, where everything is generated, scheduled, and published automatically. Personally, I keep mine on full auto. At this point, I trust PromoPilot. It's producing great content and it saves me from having to review every single post. It simply runs in the background while I focus on building the business. Now, let's look at those UGC videos, how they're being created. PromoPilot includes a create new feature, which lets you generate new content through a simple step-by-step wizard. So if we go in here, you can create UGC-style videos in just a few steps. The platform also supports other types of content, such advertisement, social media campaigns, and more, but I won't cover those in this demo. For now, I'll focus on the UGC video workflow, since that's what powers the content you've seen in MyCoachEd social media pages. So here's how the process works. First, you'll provide a short creative brief describing what you want to highlight about the product or the app. Then you'll choose the platform you're creating the content for and desire the clip length. Based on those inputs, PromoPilot generates multiple content concepts. PromoPilot AI refines each one using your prompt and the screenshots of the visuals or the product, making sure the message is accurate and engaging. Once the concept has been refined, PromoPilot writes the script for the video. You then choose the style you want, such as presenter, voice, and overall creative direction, and the platform generates the final UGC video ready to publish. Well, you will ask yourself, is that video is just 5-second clip? No, it's not. It can be up to like 2 minutes. So what I will do, it will generate a sequence of 5-second clips, and then it will stitch them together, and it will orchestrate them into getting a great UGC video for final. I'm Eduard, the creator of PromoPilot. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about PromoPilot or see how it can automate content creation and social media publishing, I would be happy to show you. Feel free to get in touch and I will walk you through how it works and how it can help your business as well. Thank you.